Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 4K 240Hz and Full HD 360Hz dual mode curve 31.5 inch monitor. So friend, MSI has introduced MAG 321CUPDF, a dual mode monitor with the world's first curved dual mode monitor. So friend, this monitor comes with 31.5 inch screen size with 16:9 aspect ratio that support 2 resolution 4K and Full HD, both featuring different variable and maximum refresh rate. At 4K resolution, user can adjust the refresh rate between 60 Hz to 160 Hz, and while the HD support refresh rate between 60 Hz to 320 Hz. So friend, the dual mode monitor are popular among gamers who enjoy slow pace single player games and higher visual quality, as well esport games that demand faster reaction time. And the panel support VESA DisplayHDR 400 and offer 93% Adobe RGB, 97% DCI P3 color gamut, and MSI confirmed a peak brightness of 350 nits in HDR mode, and the panel has 1500 R curvature and its first monitor on the market with dual mode support. So friend, the expected price is around $499. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.